We can close multiple open apps on an iPhone. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. First of all, just place a finger on the bottom of your screen and just swipe up until you see all the apps, just like from the normal Android phone, or how you close all the open apps on a regular Android phone. But after that, if you want to close a single app, you just swipe up and off the way it goes. But if you want to close multiple apps, you have to use multiple fingers. Just place it like this and you will use 3 or 4 fingers and you can close it just like so. And it will only take a few seconds to close all the apps, but unfortunately there is no close all button even if you have multiple apps open. So that is how you can do it on an iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.